Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salad Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Essentially on the casino aspect of it, where the finance minister of Goa went into great details about why casinos will need a greater detailing, greater understanding, greater different treatment and so on. The one thing which I want to highlight to you all first is whether it is horse racing or online gaming or casinos, the common thread which the committee highlighted was they're all part of betting and gaming. In other words, they are essentially gambling. Goa and its minister requested that he place his view even before the entire council, not just the GOM. So he was given an opportunity to speak in front of all the members of the GOM, wherein his request was that the treatment for casinos should be different. And therefore it was decided, he did give a complete presentation, therefore it was decided that Conrad Sangma, the chair of that GOM, will once more hear Goa